everyone, I am Shalu and I am going to explain 3D optical storage technology. Introduction. 3D optical storage is any form of optical storage in which information is read or recorded with three-dimensional resolution. Data recording and readback are achieved by focusing laser within the medium. In the 1970s, Barachevsky demonstrated that this photochromatism could be produced by two-photon excitation, and finally at the end of 1980s, Peter T. Rand-Japis showed that this could lead to three-dimensional data storage. Overview. Current optical data storage media such as CD and DVD store data as a series of refractive marks on an internal surface of disk. In order to increase the storage capacity, we require number of data layers, but in several cases we have limited number of data layers. So we pass every layer through a address laser and form a address layer. Processing for reading. Reading method include two-photon excitation, confocal detection, phase contrast technique. Fluorescence is a technique which we mostly use in two-photon excitation. This method is essentially two-photon microscopy. In two-photon excitation microscopy, an infrared laser beam is focused through an objective lens, and in most of the cases we use two-photon excitation as compared to confocal microscopy due to its deeper penetration and reduced phototoxicity. Is confocal detection. This method is essentially a confocal laser scanning microscopy. A laser scanning microscopy is a technique which we use to increase the optical resolution and contrast. In this method, we use a special pinhole to block out of focus light in image formation. It offers excitation with much lower laser power than that of two-photon absorbance, but it has same potential problem because the addressing light interact with many other data points in addition to the one being addressed. Phase contrast technique. This method usually employ a phase contrast microscope. Phase contrast microscope is a technique which we use to change a phase shift into a brightness change in image. As a light travels through a medium other than vacuum, interaction with the medium causes its amplitude and phase to change in a way which depend on properties of the medium. Process for writing data. Data recording in 3D optical storage medium require that change take place in a medium upon excitation. This change is generally a photochemical reaction of some sort, although other possibilities exist. Chemical reactions that have been investigated include photoisomerization, photodecomposition, photobleaching, and polymerization initiation. Photon absorption. Writing by two-photon absorption can be achieved by focusing the writing laser on the point where the photochemical writing process is required. The wavelength of the writing laser is chosen such that it is not linearly absorbed by the medium and therefore it does not interact with the medium except at a focal point. Media design. The active part of 3D optical storage media is usually an organic polymer either doped or grafted with the photochemical active species. Alternatively, crystalline and solid material have been used. Form factor. Media for 3D optical data storage have been suggested in several form factors. The first one is disk. A disk media offer a progression from CD, DVD and allow reading and writing to be carried out by a familiar spinning disk. Card. A credit card form factor media is attractive from the point of view of portability and convenience, but would be of a lower capacity than of disk, crystal cube, or sphere. Several science fiction writers have suggested small solids that store massive amount of information and at least in principle could be achieved with 3D optical data storage. The next one is advantages and the first is durability. Depending upon the media, they are used for long time, great for archiving. Several forms of optical media are write once and read many, which means that when data is written on them, they cannot be reused. This is excellent for achieving because when preserved permanently with no possibility of being overwritten. Transportability. Optical media are widely used on other platforms including the PC. The next one is disadvantages. First is reusable. The right ones read many warm characteristics of some optical media make it excellent for archiving, but it also prevents you from being able to use that media again. Writing time. The server use software compression to write compressed data to your optical media. This process takes considerable processing unit resource and may increase the time needed to write and restore. The next is future scope. One key advance in optical storage was the invention of Blu-ray disc. This disc possesses all of the basic functionality of earlier optical discs but can store bigger and much higher quality audio and video files. And the last is conclusion. Storage needs are increases at a faster rate and conventional technology are not able to keep the pace with demand for greater and faster storage requirement. So a new type of data storage technique with increased capability is required. This need can be fulfilled by 3D data storage devices. They will also have faster data transfer rate compared to current technique.